Hi, this is Dansoy Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Here's a Sunday bonus upload. So I'm going to make a quick Caribbean mango chicken. It only takes like 10 minutes or less. Basically everything is like kind of like pre-made. You just have to put it together or whatever, or if you want to call it, make it. So like I said, cooking is not always about making everything from scratch, and it goes back to that same tagline. If you buy quality stuff and good stuff, you can change it all up, mix it together, and create new meals. So we're gonna take this journey, learning new recipes. I've never cooked this before, so I can't wait to cook it, and then it'll be great to eat it later and tomorrow. So I'm gonna start off with this Caribbean mango sauce from S&F. They have a lot of great products. I have this rice, which is microwavable, 90 seconds. Really quality by Tasty Bite. I have this Rancher grilled chicken. It's already pre-cooked with the grill marks. I got a kiwi to put on the side of the plate, and I have a variety of grilled vegetables. So with this chicken, we're going to open it up, throw it in this pan, and then we're going to add this mango sauce. We're going to just warm it up. And while we're doing that, we're going to take our rice and throw it in the microwave. So, like I said, this is 10 minutes or less. Basically, you're just warming this up, and then you're going to all put it on a plate. Or if you want it, you can make a nice mango chicken rice bowl. All right, so YouTube, I put some olive oil in there just to coat the pan. It's not really necessary because it's not going to be in here long. So we're going to take some of this chicken, and throw in that chicken. You can see the grill marks on that. So we're going to go down to our stove, light it, and just put it on low for now. Put the amount of chicken in that you want, and right after that we'll add this Caribbean mango sauce, and we'll just warm that up. And then while we're doing that, I'm going to put this rice in the microwave for 90 seconds, and we'll create a rice plate of mango chicken. Alright YouTube, so we've been warming that on low, and now I'm going to take this Caribbean mango sauce, and I've tasted this before and it's really good. So we're just going to drizzle that over there. You can see the chunks of mango and other spices and ingredients they have. This is really good. So put in what you want. If you want all the chicken coated, you can. You can actually hear the microwave right now. I just did that rice. So like I said, cooking is not always doing stuff from scratch. You can do semi homemade meals, and you can enjoy them with your family. So now I'm going to cook the now I'm going to put the stove up to medium, and we're going to just work that mango sauce into the chicken. All right, so you can see that that's our Caribbean mango sauce, and it didn't take much to do. All it needed was this S&F Caribbean mango chef sauce. They sell so many different sauces, and it's actually worth it. So the rice is already cooked, and just keep this on medium now, and just cook away. And it'll only be another minute, and then we'll just plate this. We'll plate it, and if you want it, you can make a rice bowl. But this is your recipe, your life, your cook. Do what you want. Alright, so you can see that this is boiling a little bit, like a slight simmer. So now it's just stir it, and now it's ready to be done. Alright, so our sauce is done. That's on low. And while you were gone, I cut up some kiwi, and this rice is cooked. So this is really good organic rice. It also comes in brown rice, and it's 90 seconds. But you can see the great quality of that. So That's the kiwi. We got the grilled mango chicken. If you want, you could cook your own chicken and grill it. But if you have a little bit of extra money, it might save you a bunch of steps to buy it pre-made. So now we'll just put it all together. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's our Caribbean mango chicken over rice with a side order of rice. We got kiwi, we got grilled zucchini, and grilled peppers, yellow and red. So look how quick that took. It only took like 10 minutes at the most. But like I said, there's your there's your rice with the Caribbean mango sauce, some kiwi, grilled zucchini, grilled red peppers, some more kiwi, grilled yellow peppers, and there's the Caribbean chicken over top of rice. If you didn't want to buy the vegetables pre-cooked, you could also do it yourself over the stove with tongs, or you could do it on your grill. Alright, so that's what that is. Let me make the bowl next so you can see what a rice bowl looks like. But you could actually make 2 recipes out of 1 cook, which is 10 minutes or less. Alright, YouTube, so there's your Caribbean mango rice bowl with the grilled vegetables. So like I said, you can use your imagination and create a lot of new recipes and dinner ideas or lunch ideas. And even after that cook, I still have more chicken over here. So that's how you can take a quick 10-minute recipe and spin out 2. A rice plate, a chicken and rice plate, and a rice bowl. So this is your bonus upload for Sunday. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for the support. Can you hit subscribe, hit the bell for 3 to 5 updates a week, and you be safe. Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen, Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes. Love you. Peace.